For this problem, we're going to solve an inequality. We'll write the solution set in interval notation and also graph it on a number line. So the first thing we need to do here is distribute the 3 through the parentheses, and we'll have 3x plus 12 is greater than or equal to 5x minus 12. Let's move the x terms to the left-hand side. So we'll have 3x minus 5x gives us negative 2x plus 12 is greater than or equal to negative 12. Next, we'll subtract 12 from both sides to get the constant terms on the right. And we'll have negative 2x is greater than or equal to negative 12 minus 12 gives us negative 24. In order to finish solving this inequality, we just need to divide both sides of the inequality by negative 2. Now remember, anytime you multiply or divide an inequality by a negative number, you simply reverse the direction of the inequality. So since we're dividing by a negative number, we're going to reverse the direction. And we'll have x is less than or equal to, let's see, negative 24 divided by negative 2 is positive 12. Now, that's our solution. How do we write this in interval notation and on a number line? Let's first put the number line down. So we have 0. Let's go by 5s. 5, 10, 15. So we have 12 right about here. We want x to be less than or equal to 12. Since 12 is part of the solution set, we want to use a bracket with squared edges, and we want values that are less than or equal to 12. So here's a graph of our solution. Now, in order to write our solution in interval notation, we can simply look at the graph. One important thing to remember about interval notation is that you write it from left to right as you see it on the number line. Since this arrow goes all the way to negative infinity, then negative infinity is what I need to write first. And to the right, it ends at the number 12, including 12. So my solution in interval notation is from negative infinity to 12, including 12.